Hello guys, in this video how to install Java 8 in Windows operating system. Go to Google, download Java 8 for Windows. Here from Oracle website, Java SE development kit. Just click on it. Then only you will come here. Come down. It says Java SE development kit 8 and update version is 251. Okay, and the product details: Linux ARM 3264-bit and Linux, Mac OS Solaris and Windows 32-bit. If you have 32-bit, choose this exe. If you have 64-bit, choose this exe. I have 64-bit. Just click on this, click on download. I already downloaded, so I placed it on desktop. Just double click it. It says user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Just click it next. Select all, click next. Just copying new files. Destination folder, choose default. Here they are going to install JRE. Status: installing Java. 3 billion devices run Java. It's still installing. Here Java SC Development Kit 8 update 251 64-bit successfully installed. Here if you want to download samples, developer guides, and they have tutorial on this. If you want, you can click on this. If you don't want, just close it. Now Java is installed. Right click on this or press Windows key, press CMD, type Java. Java is installed.